What's up, everybody? We are here in Vegas. Check this out. We are in Vegas.
Fountain View.
Listen, this is our room. Everyone, this is our room. Double. We have a single bathtub here. Some drawers. Ooh. Shower cap. Vanity kit. Sewing kit. Which I don't have hair. Hair dryer. You have shaving cream, body lotion, scope for your bad breath after you ate. Facial soap, which I need. A cup for my denture. Just kidding, my Invisalign. Some tissues. Is this Domino's? I would like to have a large pepperoni. Thank you. 5 minutes. Then we got this lovely shower. The head is. I'm only 5'5", a minion. If you're a 6 footer, you're gonna hit your head in there. It's got fresh whole day. Then we got these. It opens. Oh yeah. Oh, close, open sesame. All right. And then, oh, did we show the bar?
Oh, okay. So
Oh, it has
your mini bar.
Has a mini bar, which I'm gonna drink tonight. I'm gonna have a Heineken. You got Grey Goose, pop some Grey Goose. But if you lift it, there's no. It's only Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, Stella, Red Bull. I got some jelly beans. We got Black Label. Then I got some potato chips when you get hungry. It's about a 40-inch TV. Boop, boop. Oh, the showing must go on.